Today, we are discussing an extraordinary achievement in the world of aerospace engineering and defense, the Tejas aircraft. This remarkable fighter jet stands as a symbol of India's growing capabilities in military aviation and self-reliance in defense technology. As we delve into the intricacies of the Tejas, we will explore its design, development, operational history, and the broader implications of this aircraft for India's defense posture and international standing. The Tejas, officially known as the Light Combat Aircraft, is a lightweight, multi-role combat aircraft developed by the Aeronautical Development Agency of India, in collaboration with Hindustan Aeronautics Limited and various other public and private sector entities. The program began in the 1980s as India's response to the need for a modern fighter jet that could replace the aging fleet of MiG-21s and enhance the country's air combat capabilities. The journey of the Tejas has been long and challenging, marked by numerous technological hurdles and developmental delays. However, the aircraft has emerged as a testament to India's engineering prowess, showcasing indigenous design, advanced avionics, and a commitment to self-reliance in defense. The Tejas is not just an aircraft, it represents a vision for a robust defense ecosystem in India. Design and development. The design of the Tejas is characterized by its sleek, aerodynamic profile and advanced materials. With a length of approximately 13.2 meters and a wingspan of around 8.2 meters, the Tejas is a compact and agile aircraft. One of its standout features is its delta wing configuration, which enhances maneuverability and stability at various speeds. This design choice allows the Tejas to excel in dogfights and ground attack missions, making it a versatile platform for the Indian Air Force. The Tejas is powered by the General Electric F404 engine, which provides a thrust of about 84 knots. This engine delivers superior performance, enabling the aircraft to achieve speeds of up to Mach 1.6. The aircraft's thrust-to-weight ratio is optimized for agility, allowing it to perform complex aerial maneuvers with ease. One of the key aspects of the Tejas's development has been its emphasis on indigenous manufacturing. The aircraft incorporates advanced composite materials, making it lighter and more fuel-efficient than many of its contemporaries. The use of these materials not only enhances performance but also reduces the overall radar signature of the aircraft, contributing to its stealth capabilities. Avionics and systems. The Tejas is equipped with a state-of-the-art avionics suite, reflecting the latest advancements in military technology. The aircraft features a digital fly-by-wire control system, which enhances handling and stability, allowing pilots to focus on mission objectives rather than managing complex flight controls. This system is particularly beneficial during high-stress combat scenarios. Central to the Tejas's avionics is the multi-mode radar, which provides the pilot with critical situational awareness. The radar system is capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously, enhancing the aircraft's air-to-air and air-to-ground capabilities. This technological edge allows the Tejas to engage multiple threats effectively, ensuring that it remains a formidable presence in the skies. Additionally, the Tejas is equipped with advanced electronic warfare systems, which enable it to detect, jam, and evade enemy radar and missile systems. These systems are essential for modern aerial combat, where the ability to operate in contested environments is crucial for mission success. Operational history and achievements. The operational history of the Tejas has been marked by significant milestones. The first prototype of the Tejas took to the skies in 2001, and after years of rigorous testing and evaluation, the aircraft was officially inducted into service with the Indian Air Force in 2016. This induction marked a significant achievement for India's defense sector, emphasizing the nation's ability to produce cutting-edge military technology. Since its induction, the Tejas has participated in various exercises and operations, showcasing its capabilities and effectiveness. The aircraft has been involved in air-to-air combat training, ground attack missions, and humanitarian assistance operations. Its versatility has allowed it to adapt to different mission profiles, reinforcing its status as a multi-role combat aircraft. One of the most notable aspects of the Tejas's operational history is its participation in the ongoing modernization efforts of the Indian Air Force. The IAF has been working to replace outdated aircraft and enhance its overall combat readiness. The Tejas plays a crucial role in this modernization, providing a capable platform that can operate alongside more advanced fighter jets like the Su-30 MKI. Strategic significance of Tejas. The introduction of the Tejas into the Indian Air Force carries significant strategic implications. As a lightweight, multi-role fighter, the Tejas enhances India's air defense capabilities and contributes to regional stability. The aircraft serves as a counterbalance to the growing military capabilities of neighboring countries, particularly in the context of air power. Moreover, the development of the Tejas encapsulates India's commitment to self-reliance in defense manufacturing. The Make in India initiative, launched by the Indian government, aims to encourage indigenous manufacturing and reduce dependence on foreign defense imports. The Tejas program exemplifies this vision, showcasing India's ability to develop technologically advanced military solutions that meet its specific needs. In a broader context, the Tejas also positions India as a potential player in the global defense market. The aircraft's successful development and operational deployment have garnered interest from several countries looking for cost-effective and capable fighter solutions. Nations such as Malaysia, Argentina, and Egypt have expressed interest in acquiring the Tejas, recognizing its potential as a modern combat aircraft. Challenges and future prospects. While the success of the Tejas program is commendable, it has not been without its challenges. The development of advanced military aircraft is a complex and demanding process, often fraught with technical hurdles and budgetary constraints. The Tejas program has faced delays in its timeline, and some critics have raised concerns about the pace of development compared to other global military aviation programs. However, it is essential to view these challenges in context. The Tejas program has been a pioneering effort for India, and the lessons learned during its development will undoubtedly contribute to future projects. As the program progresses, ongoing upgrades and enhancements to the Tejas are already in the works, including the development of the Tejas Mk2 variant, which promises to incorporate advanced technologies and improve performance. The Tejas Mk2 is expected to address some of the limitations of the original design, featuring increased payload capacity, enhanced avionics, and improved propulsion systems. This upgraded variant will further solidify India's position in the global defense landscape and ensure that the Tejas remains competitive in the ever-evolving arena of military aviation. International collaborations and export potential. The Tejas's development has also opened avenues for international collaboration in defense manufacturing. The Indian government has actively sought partnerships with foreign defense manufacturers to leverage their expertise and technology. Collaborations with countries like the United States, Russia, and France could pave the way for knowledge transfer and joint development projects, enhancing the capabilities of the Tejas and other indigenous defense systems. Moreover, the growing interest in the Tejas from foreign nations presents a significant export opportunity for India. As countries seek reliable and cost-effective fighter solutions, the Tejas stands out as a viable option. The potential for export not only strengthens India's defense industry but also reinforces its geopolitical relationships with partner nations. Exporting the Tejas would also contribute to the Indian economy, creating jobs and fostering technological innovation. The defense sector often serves as a catalyst for advancements in related industries, including aerospace, electronics, and materials science. By promoting defense exports, India can stimulate economic growth while enhancing its strategic partnerships. The future of Tejas. As we reflect on the journey of the Tejas aircraft, it is clear that this project is a landmark achievement for India. From its inception to its operational deployment, the Tejas has showcased the ingenuity, resilience, and determination of Indian engineers and defense personnel. It embodies a vision of self-reliance and technological advancement that is crucial for India's future in a rapidly changing global landscape. Looking ahead, the Tejas program is poised for continued success, with ongoing upgrades, international collaborations, and the potential for export. The Tejas is set to solidify its place in the annals of military aviation. The development of the Tejas Mk2 and the exploration of additional variants will ensure that India remains at the forefront of aerospace technology. In conclusion, the Tejas is not just an aircraft, it is a symbol of India's aspirations in defense and aerospace. It represents a commitment to excellence, innovation, and self-reliance. As we embrace the future, let us celebrate the achievements of the Tejas and look forward to the continued growth of India's defense capabilities. Together, we can build a safer and more secure world.